Alright, we're all fueled up and ready to go. What's going on, guys? So I just wanted to do a quick video showing you how I've set up the Dyna to tackle these long rides, to do some mile crunching, you know. So how I've set this thing up is perfect for me, may not be perfect for you, but at least it'll give you an idea and pick the good shit that you like out of it and disregard the rest. So I'm trying to get into a private car park that has a really kick-ass mural on it, because that's the background I want when I do the little walk around. I'll show you all the little extras and things I've put on this, so you can probably see a couple from just my point of view here. Got my little bar bag that we've been over before. You can't fit a lot in it, but it's good. You know, I got stickers and microfiber cloth and stuff like that in there. Some spam cards and shit. And the fairing, the phone holder, and the tank bag. It's probably all you can see from this point of view, but I'll do a detailed walk around and point it all out and tell you where you can buy yours from if you want to get some. But alright, let's cut to the car park. Alright, this is where I'm sneaking. You beauty, and have a go at that. That is what I wanted in the background. How fucking cool is that? That would have taken a long time to paint that fucker. Here will do. Alright, so my touring Dyna. There you go. That's it. Okay, thanks for watching. Righto. So let's start at the front, because that's the most logical place to start. Rifle Roadster fairing, 15-inch shield in dark smoke. Stock. Mirrors, grips, or levers, who cares? You get whatever ones you want. But Rifle Roadster, tank bag, just off eBay. If anyone wants one, hit me up on Instagram and I'll send you the photo of what it's called. The phone grip, I think it's called the Tech Grip. I bought it from Revzilla. Awesome. If you are going to buy one, it is in two different pieces, the mount and the phone holder. I did buy one and then had to buy the other one later. I didn't read it properly. So, tank bag, Exfil 11 by Builtwell. Bright orange interior, as you can see. Pocket there for maps or iPad, whatever. Does have little chargy pokey hole fucking things, whatever you call them, in there. Now onto the saddlebags. Now these are Thrash and Supply. I love these things, man. They are big enough to put, they're called the Essentials. So that's got a couple of spray bottle cleaning things and a cloth, but inside bright orange. Does have a top pouch up there as well, which you could put a cloth or whatever. You can fit 6 packs straight in there, guys. Not that everything revolves around beer, but it sort of does. Another little pouch there. Legend air ride suspension does make the long rides a lot more enjoyable. Detachable sissy bar and backrest. Now this one here is one of those suction cap stick-on pillion seats that you can stick to the guard if you don't have a 2-up seat. Now I've spaced that out to move the Exfil 80 bag forward, you know, that much, 2 inches, whatever. So I find that when you're riding, you lean back like 1 inch and you're on it. So you can see from that angle, it is so good, so very good. Now, cool thing with the X480 bag, has a built-in padded backrest, but also drop down toolkit. These things velcro out, so not that I plan on breaking down, but you know the old thing, if you see a bike broken down, you pull over and see if you can help them. So hopefully it's not my bike that's fucked, but I'll be able to help someone else out if they need help. Clip-on water bottle holder and a little zippy thing. These are all molly webbing attachments, so literally just chuck a bottle of water in there. Little pouch on the front for whatever. On the side here just has my first aid kit in it. It's a bag inside a bag, so you can just grab it and run. So it's just mollied on as well. Yeah, that's the other side of the Thrash and Supply essentials. You can get them from, you know, anywhere, get lowered. I bought them off eBay. Cause in Australia we don't have many cool sites like that where you can get shit from. But what else have I done? Mini floorboards, and that's about it. Alright, let's get back on the road. Alright, let's take off before security comes. How cool is this? Yeah, so like I was saying with the X480 bag, having it spaced forward that 50mm, fucking hell, I'm not built to go slow. Oh, this shade, let me in. Oh yeah. Alright, so as I was saying, with the X480 bag having the built-in padded backrest, I put that extra cushion thing in between to push it forward. So literally this is my normal riding position. If I lean back that far, which you probably didn't even notice on camera, I'm now leaning on it. So I can still lean on it with a slight bend in my arms. And man, you would not believe how much more enjoyable it is after, you know, the first sort of 100 Ks. You're not having to hold yourself there. You can sort of just relax and lean back a bit. That is the best thing I did. When I did the Cairns trip, I didn't have that extra cushion in there, so I sort of had to lean back a bit too far. I couldn't keep control over the bike whilst being comfortable, you know. So yeah, that 50mm is all the difference. Really didn't want to stop for that light. So anyway, that's all I really wanted to talk about. I just wanted to show you how I've got the baby set up. Start crunching some miles. But I can't really leave the video whilst in the middle of this shit, so I might fast forward until I'm out of it. Can I go up the middle there, you reckon? Probably not. Alright, so there you go guys, that's how I've got it set up. I hope you can pick a few good points out of that and maybe make your longer rides more comfortable. But Alright, if you liked it, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already, headbutt that subscribe button. And as soon as this light goes green, I'll catch you later, eh?